What can I say besides I've been influenced? So let's kick this off with the first Amazon item that I got. It's gonna be all Amazon. I'm gonna do all of them on here. So I'm not gonna do individuals for this. So the first thing I got was this Coach scarf. Now, like I said, I've already got the Coach swag charm chain, gold chain, the swag chain, beautiful chain, but it was $98. I got the Coach mini book bag in that beautiful black sea print. It's black and brown sea print. Love it. But that was like $78. Both of those are linked to my channel and above. Coach's pricing. So I did find this scarf because again, I'm only doing the scarf as decoration, but it has the C's, y'all, and I think it's cute. So I'm gonna do a whole braid on the handle. Like I said, I've been influenced for the roll-in, but I thought this, and it's good quality. It feels good. Silk scarf, and it's got little hearts. Let me get a little closer. It's got puppy, hearts, owl, bird, little kitty, turtle. It's cute, but it's got the brown C's. So yes, I know it's not Coach, but it's representing what it's representing, and it's giving what it's giving, and I'm not mad at it. I also want to show you that this $20 with the black C's, y'all. And yes, I know, and it has like a little wallet situation going in case you want to know if that opens. $20. Yes, this is not real Coach, but like I said, it's got the C's that I need. So I just thought that was a great phone case for me to get. The next find I got was this insert. So I've seen some people talk about their ruin, how the insert, you know, once you take all the cotton and stuff out, all the tissue paper, it kind of just like deflates. I'm one of those people who love the actual design of the ruin. So I'm hoping that this will help me keep the design as it's supposed to go on. I'm remodeling, sorry. It's supposed to go on the inside, and it has like pockets where I can organize and stuff. So I loved that. And it has this little divider that goes inside here as well. It's got many pockets and stuff, so hoping this works. Last Amazon find are another set of chains. And baby, once I saw that black matte chain, I was like, oh, we linking that, we doing that. So went on Amazon to find these chains, and here they are. They're large, and they're adjustable. So there's like a little opening here if you want to adjust them. They come with a spare set. I got 3 of them because of the way I'm thinking I'm gonna do it, but they basically link up like this on the purse. So I might have to do some adjustments to get it the way I want it, but I love the link chain look. That is all the Amazon accessories I have. Don't forget to subscribe to my video. Check out my other purse accessories as I dress up my Rowan. And stay tuned for that Rowan unboxing and Rowan accessories put together. Getting her dressed up. Thanks for watching. Bye.